Welcome to Loktak Lake, the largest freshwater lake in northeast India. This iconic lake, located in Bishnupur district, at a distance of 53 kilometers from Imphal, is known for its circular floating swamps called fungus in the local language. What makes the Loktak Lake even more special is the Kaibil Lamjau National Park located at the southwestern part of the lake. It is the world's only floating national park and is home to the endangered Manipur brow-antlered deer, Sangai. The world's only floating national park is located in India, and it is amazing. Imagine standing on a piece of land that floats on water. No, not for some fictitious narration or a movie scene, but in real life this is something that's actually possible in Manipur. Well connected by road and air, Imphal, the capital city of Manipur, is 39 kilometers away from the lake by road. The lake is a unique destination for tourism. The lake offers excellent opportunities for visitors to enjoy the beauty of the lake and its several islands located inside it that are studded with floating fungus of different geometrical shapes. The important islands which offer facilities for visitors are the Sandra and Fabala. The Sandra tourist home on the island with an attached cafeteria in the middle of the lake is an ideal tourist spot. Visitors get a bird's-eye view of life on the lake, small islands that are actually floating weed on which the lake people live. Loktak is a birder's paradise. The most commonly sighted birds in the region include black kite, northern hill myna, East Himalayan pied kingfisher, lesser skylark, lesser eastern jungle crow, Burmese pied myna, and more. A source of livelihood for the rural fishermen who live in the surrounding areas and on fungus, also known as fumshans. Human activity has led to severe pressure on the lake ecosystem. 55 rural and urban hamlets around the lake have a population of about 100,000 people. Considering the ecological status and its biodiversity values, the lake was initially designated as a wetland of international importance under the Ramsar Convention on the 23rd of March 1990. It was also listed under the Montreux Record on the 16th of June 1993, a record of Ramsar sites where changes in ecological character have occurred, are occurring or are likely to occur. 57 species of water birds and another 14 species of wetland-associated birds have been noted in the lake, including 28 species of migratory waterfowl, most migrating from different parts of the northern hemisphere beyond the Himalayas. Also recorded were 425 species of animals, 249 vertebrates and 176 invertebrates. The list includes rare animals such as the Indian python, sambar and barking deer. Kaibil Lamjau National Park is the natural habitat of one of the most endangered deer, the brow-antlered deer, Cervus ldld, which was once thought to be extinct, which was declared a national park only to preserve and conserve this species of Eld's deer. Fish yield from the lake is reported to be about 1,500 tons, 6,600,000 pounds, every year. The State Fishery Department has introduced millions of fingerlings of Indian and exotic major carps. Natural capture fishery without the requirement of any lease or license was also in vogue in the lake. The lake fishery is now a mixture of capture and culture systems. 9 mini hatcheries opened by the state government has the capacity to produce 1 million fish fingerlings in a day. 50% of the fingerlings produced were released into the Loktak Lake and the balance were distributed to beneficiary fishing committees. 18. The new fish varieties introduced in lake were grass carp, silver carp and the old varieties of the local fishes like Channa punctatus, Ngamu, Anubis testudinius, Yucavi, Anguilla, Narl, Pangba, Tharik, and Nashap stated to be under serious decline. With an average annual rainfall of 1,183 mm, 46.57 in tropical monsoon climate prevails in the valley.